Hey everyone, what is going on? Yes, I am back on the YouTube and I've been kind of gone for a little bit, maybe about a week or so. I mean, I've been commenting and liking videos that I've been watching, but I haven't been posting anything. So now here I am back again in the grind, doing my thing, doing my jam. All right, so had a break because I just needed a little break, if that makes sense. Anyways, so today we are talking about the motherload. We are talking about the mother of all beauty sponges, if you will. And I guess the mother of beauty sponges would be the beauty blender, since technically they're the one that started everything, and then like all these other beauty sponges started trickling down. But I'm calling this one, the one I'm about to show you, the mother of all beauty sponges, because this baby is like huge, alright? It's huge. So we're talking about the Real Techniques Miracle Face and Body Sponge. And it's this baby right here. Alright, so just for comparison size, let me go grab my regular Real Technique sponge. I have it at hand. I'll show you in a bit. Alright, so let's just show, well, the packaging. Beautiful. Plastic. It says use damp or dry, just in case you didn't know that. It's called the Real Techniques Miracle Face and Body Sponge. And obviously I haven't opened it up yet. In the back it talks about how it can be used, and you're supposed to replace it 1 to 3 months. It's latex free. All that good stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Put that aside. Now here's the sponge, just dry and right next to my face. You can already tell how big the sponge is, but let me hold up the like regular size sponge, and they're both from the Real Technique company. Can you guys see the difference, right? The regular size and the jumbo mother load, the mother of all sponges. Now you can tell why I'm calling it the mother of all sponges. Alright, so this is my first time touching and playing with this miracle jumbo size Real Technique sponge. I have used their regular sponges before, but not the big one. So just by like first impressions and like kind of squishing it together, you can tell that it's a little bit more dense, but you know, I'm sure if you added water to it, it'll become more like I was gonna say smushier, but that's the wrong word. Squishier, I guess. Squishier. Alright, so it's an orange color, as you can tell, very pretty. And it comes to a point, it has a flat side, so you can, I guess, you know, put on your foundation or concealer. I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna test this out. The reason why I got this is because, I've been watching several YouTube videos, and a number of them was talking about this sponge, and they were telling me how it just applies your foundation quickly. I mean, especially on days when I'm going to work, and I don't wear foundation to work, but sometimes I do. And those days that I do want to like put it on real quickly and just like get out the door, instead of like, you know, using a smaller sponge. Not that I had any issues with this, but you know, if this can cut the time in like half, who doesn't want that? All right, so we're gonna try this out. I already have my eye makeup done, so, you know, this video is not about the eye makeup, but I have that done already. All I have to do is my face, and so I got my face primer on. I'll be right back. Let me get this all nice and wet, and we'll put on our foundation together. Alright, you guys, I'm back and got this nice and wet, and this is much more squishier with the water in it when it's damp, and squishier, smushier, whatever. Alright, so it feels very nice and squishy, and we'll be applying our foundation. So, like I said, I already have my face primer on, so we got that out of the way. For this, I'll be using the YSL Touche Eclat Radiance Awakening Foundation. So we'll be using that, and we're just going to pump some on the back of my hand. Ooh. And let me just clip my hair back. But I already got it on the back of my hand, so I gotta apply this first. Hair looks kind of messy, but this is not a hair tutorial. And it is late at night, so it's not like I'm going anywhere. Alright, so this is what I do when I normally do my foundation using a sponge, or just in general, I dab it all over my face first, and then I take the sponge. So, here we go, guys. This is what's gonna happen. Just before I actually do the work, look at how big this is. It's like pretty much covering my entire face, or not entire, but like half my face. That's kind of amazing. And like for size reference, here's my hand. Pretty big. Pretty damn big. Alright. I need a mirror. You guys, that one side, like right here, that one side, done. That was so freaking quick. Oh my goodness. Alright, other side. Am I on camera right now? Alright, good. Done. That is incredible. I am obsessed with this. I don't even know why I waited this long to purchase this. I'm like, honestly, before I got it, in the back of my head, I was like, who's gonna use that ridiculously big jumbo beauty sponge? I mean, I'm sure not. But here I am using it, and to be quite frank, loving it. That's so quick. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness. I'm just like, da da da, da da da. Oh, complete. Boom, boom, done. Done, done, done. Oh, done, 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 done. That's pretty amazing. Making sure everything's actually nicely blended. Ooh, blocking the camera. Alright, good job, Sarah. YouTube skills completely failed. Okay, so that is actually really, really, really amazing. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I'm honestly really happy about this. Alright, you guys. I want to say that's pretty much it for the video. I guess this just really cut the time in half, like literally. Alright, so final thoughts. Go ahead and purchase one if you do use beauty sponge foundation. If you do use beauty sponges and you like to use them, go ahead and get one, because this just does your makeup in like, I mean, quicker than the Flash. You know, it's like ba 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 ba. You are out the door. That's amazing. Amazing. Alright, so how much did I get for this? I cannot remember, but I will put the information down below in the description bar. That has a bunch of good information down there anyway, so you want to scroll down and check that out, you know, if you want. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Just wanted to show you guys how quickly this sponge applies on your face. This was my first time doing this, and first time like ever using this, but I did it on camera, so you and I both know, you know, how it works, how it performed, and it performed pretty amazingly, if that is a word, pretty amazingly, if I can say that. So yeah, highly recommend it. I think my makeup routine will be cut in half. Makeup routine time will be cut in half drastically, and I am very happy I got this. So now I'm just blabbing on. That's it for the video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Alright, so if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe down below to my channel. Join the Kwak fam, why not? And click on the notification bell. And of course, you can follow me on my social media. And that is pretty much it, guys. And my foundation with this sponge is looking, I feel like, pretty damn good. So yeah, alright. I'm not going to finish the rest of my face because this video was just about this sponge. I got that out of the way. That's done. Good. That's it, guys. Alright, hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!